If you accidentally deleted a contact's phone number or email address, the nice thing is that Apple gives you two different ways to be able to recover that contact information on your iPhone. I'll walk you through both options to be able to get that back. The first option that you're going to want to do is to tap on the Settings app of your iPhone. Tap on Search at the bottom and search for Contacts. And then tap on the Contacts app. From here, tap on Contacts Accounts. And then tap on iCloud first. What you're going to do is toggle this off. And if you have screen time, it might basically prevent this. So you'll just need to go into screen time and turn that off. But essentially toggle it off and then back on. And then also go back and go to Gmail, for instance, turn contacts off. And you can choose delete from my iPhone. Keep in mind, this doesn't delete it from that Google or Gmail account or iCloud. It's still stored in there. So essentially just turn it off and hit delete. And then just toggle it back on. And this will reinitiate it. Essentially, this means if it's not on your iPhone anymore, but it's still on your Google accounts or your iCloud synced up, it will just re-download that contact to your phone. However, if it still doesn't show up, let's walk through this second option. So hop out here and open up a web browser. In a web browser like Safari or Chrome, type in iCloud.com and tap go at the bottom right. From here, you're going to sign into your Apple ID account or your iCloud account to be able to recover that contact information. Once you are signed in, it will look like this. Tap on those dots at the top right. Tap on Data Recovery at the bottom. From here, scroll down and tap on Restore Contacts. You can see it says you can restore your contacts from an earlier version that was automatically archived to iCloud. So you can scroll down and you can see May 16th, 2026, all the way back to April 20th, 2026. To be able to get all of those contacts back from that date, all you need to do is hit the restore button. It will walk you through what this does. Is essentially replaces the contacts that are currently on your iPhone with the backup from iCloud. If you're good to go, just tap on that blue restore button and it will get that contact and download it back to your iPhone. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.